Uh, Good evening, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the weekend. So, as usual, we will see the best stocks to buy now. So, the stocks we will see one by one, the stocks that are in the buying range. So, let's not waste any time and let's get into the first stock. So, the first stock is Alkyl Amine. So, you can see right now Alkyl Amine is working with the RSI of 44%, 44. In the past, it was below 30. I think it was in the range of 30s and 35. Exactly, it was 34. So from there, it has to make a move on, and now it is moved until 44. So whoever has bought at the range of 3,700, for them it is very good. Okay, this kind of stocks never don't give enough chance every time. So when they give chance, it is good opportunity to buy. So if you don't have this stock, is still in the range of buying range. So you can think of accumulating one or two stocks at the moment. Okay. So let's move to the next stock. The next stock is Lolpath Lab. As you can see right now, it is working at the RSI at the range of 44.81. So this is also a consistent compounder. Actually, from the last we have already discussed about this company for the last 5 to 6 years. Its revenue and the profit has never been a dip even at the time of Corona time. So right now it is giving you opportunity to buy at lower level at the discounted price. It moved until the highest price was around 4,200. It was above 4,000. Now it is working at the range of 8,000, 3,800 and 900. So it is good opportunity to buy one or two stocks at this level. So the next stock that we will see is Relaxo. So this is working at the range of RSI is working at the level of 44. So this stock you can see like we are waiting for this. This is working in the same range between 1,150 to 1,250 for quite some time now. It is almost in this range for 2 to 3 months right now. Like you, I am also waiting that this stock will move on like the other stocks how they are moving. See, some companies work differently. It is not that every company has to run at the same time. So this is the time that this company is accumulating, or I think, or you can say that it is in the consolidation phase. So this is the best time to buy this kind of good stocks. Okay. So when the stocks start running, no, they will not give any time for you to think of buying it. So by the time you think of buying, that I will buy this on the next day, it will be already run. It would have already moved 10 percentage from the previous days. So this is why it is always very good to accumulate the stocks at the lower levels. Okay. So if you don't have the stocks, you can buy this one, or even if you have, you can add this stocks every month one. So the price also, it's not too much. It's only 1,100 to 200 range. So you can add one stock every month if you like also. Okay. So let's move to the next stock. So the let's stock is Let's Industries. You can see the RSI is working at the current level of RSI is around 30. So it has fallen a very big margin from the highs that it was working. It was working at the range of 4,200 to 300. Now it is working at the range of 3,700. So this is a small cap company. So already we have discussed about this company. So in case if you want to invest in any small cap company, which where the rewards will be very much faster, and also you have to understand that the volatility will also be too much, but it is a fundamentally very good stock. The fundamentals are very good. The revenue and the profit is growing year on year. So if you want to invest, you can pick one or two stocks and don't put more amount on this. So as I have already discussed with you, and we have seen in the previous videos, always in the small cap, keep the minimum of investment less than 5% of your portfolio. Okay, so that it does not, even it falls, or even if it is falling, or even if it is becomes zero, the portfolio, it does not damage the portfolio. So next one is SBI cards. You can see the SBI cards currently it is working at the range of 34%, 34 RSI. So it has fallen from 1,150 level to 1,000. So this is a good opportunity and good time to invest in this stock. So you all know that right now currently there is no competitor for this. When I say there is no competitor, it doesn't mean that there is no other bank credit cards. It is there, but in order to invest in stock market, this is the only company that is in the card segment, that is right now it is available. So that is why it is right now it is a monopoly. It has the advantage of monopoly, so that means it does not have any competitor in the market. So until any competitor comes, this will enjoy the run, and all the investment will fall in this. So this is also a good quality stock. You know that I don't have to say anything about the credit cards usage in India. Most of the young and the youth people will have one, at least one. Forget about one. Even if you take a case of mine, I was having two to three, and then finally I reduced to two now. So every one of us must will have at least one credit card. So this will benefit for the card holding company like SBI cards. So this is the only opportunity and only company that we have the opportunity to invest. So you can think of investing in this right now because it is trading at a discounted level. The next stock that we will see is PI Industries. I was waiting for this to fall for a long time. I would say I would say like for last 2 to 3 months I was waiting for this company. I was very much impressed about this company. I wanted to pick one or two stocks from here, but all the time it was trading at a very high level. You can see the previous levels. Whenever it touched the 50, it jumped. It jumped to the from the lower level to the grid zone. You can see two to three times it came near to the 50 line, and then it jumped again. It bounced back. So it never gave us an opportunity to buy this. It was in my radar from long time, 2 to 3 months. Now it is giving us opportunity to enter into this stock. Already I have entered this stock in the last Thursday. So now right now from where I entered, it is already again fallen down little bit, but it is not a very big difference. I bought this around 3250. Now it is around 3200. But right now it is a very good opportunity to buy this stock. It is in the segment of agrochemicals. So agrochemicals means you know the pesticides and the seeds for the plants and for the agriculture purpose. So as it is coming in the agriculture sector, so it will fall in the mandatory segment or the essential segment, you can say. So whatever stops people have to eat, so the how they will eat it, only when the agriculture is happening, we will get the food. So this is so that's why it falls under essential category. So I think this has a very good scope in the future also. So right now it is giving us opportunity to buy. You can buy at this level, or if the market falls in the next week, you can think of buying a few more quantities on this. Okay. So this is the last talk that I would like to discuss in this one. So about this, we have not discussed in the past previously about this company. So the name of the company is CAMS. So I will tell a brief about this company. What does this CAMS does? So this is basically in the mutual funds segment. Okay. So there will be a register. Okay. If mutual funds are registering, if all the mutual funds are there, so for every mutual fund there will be a register. Okay. Just like how the all your mutual funds and the stocks are stored in the CDSL. You will know that all the everything that you invest there, you will get a CDSL and NDSL pin code, that is a trusted blocking facility kind of thing, that is from the CDSL and NDSL. So there's this kind of CDSL and NDSL, but it is not for the individuals. The CDSL and NDSL is for the individuals, for the investors, but this CAMS it's for the mutual funds itself. Okay. So in this CAMS, almost all, I think I can say that more than 75% of the Indian mutual funds have been registered in this CAMS. Okay. So it is nothing to do with anything. So if one mutual funds, for example, if one mutual fund falls, it will not affect here in the CAMS. For example, I would say the HDFC AMC, there is HDFC AMC, and you can say that Aditya Birla AMC and Tata AMC. There are so many AMCs, assessment management companies. Okay. So all these companies are registered in this one. So it will not this company will not have any impact if one or two companies or the mutual funds AMCs even fail, or it becomes zero also, because there will be other hundreds of mutual funds that they are registered here. So always whenever mutual funds industry is growing, this CAMS stock will benefit from it, because there will be more and more mutual funds adding to this. So you can see this is I am at the screen of you're seeing the chart of the CAMS itself. So it was listed in the stock market recently only, I would say the end of last year. So you can see the graph. It is less than 1 year, And if you can see the fundamentals here, financial performances, you can see the revenues from 17 to 20, there is not a much big dip, but also year on year, for example, from 17 to 18, there was a good increase in the sales and the profit, and you can see from 18 to 19 also, and 18, 19 and sorry, 19, 20 and 21 are almost the same right now, because most of the people were in panic and they didn't invested in the mutual funds. But now we have the data only until 2021, but I am expecting this year, that is after the market has risen a very big dip, very much it is increased. So many people or retail investors are thinking that they are Robin Hoods, and they will enter the stocks direct. They are investing in the direct stocks. Okay, they are picking so much of penny stocks. Okay, when the market falls, when the in the future, when the market falls, every or most of the most of the retail investors who are invested in the retail in the penny stocks, there it will be only two things that they will do: either they will go out of the stock market, or they will convert their profits and everything to the good stocks, that is the fundamental stocks, that is the stocks that we are holding it. Okay, so or they will convert all those stocks into the mutual funds, because they will be in panic, because they will see so much of loss in the stocks, and the market will fall every day, like how it was increasing day on day, like that there will be a day, each and every day it will go on a lower side. So they will be stuck there, and they will think that it is better to invest in the mutual funds. So that time it will benefit this company when the mutual funds are growing and they are getting a inflows of the money. That time CAMS will be benefited of that. Okay, and I say that for India, there is very much less knowledge about mutual funds. Right now, only people are getting to know a little bit more about mutual funds and stock market investment for the long term, because of the YouTube, or because of the internet technology that we have currently. Okay, in the past it was not that much, so I am expecting that in the future also, so many young people will join, and they will invest in mutual funds, and they'll get to know about that. So I am thinking that for me it will be a growing industry, and the mutual funds will only grow from here. And if the mutual funds grows, it will indirectly grow the CAMS also. So I am very much bullish on this, and it is a very good stock for long term investment. So you can think of investing in this if you don't have any asset management company. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll come up with another information in another video. Thank you. Bye.